Hey guys, sorry, there might be some background noise. They're doing some construction outside my house. I sent out some worksheets to some of you. Now, not all of you got this, but for the ones who did, I just wanted to kind of model what we're doing here. First, you're gonna obviously write your name. I'm not gonna write my name because I don't want you to copy me. And then we're gonna write the date. And today's date is April, so it's number 4-14. It's hard to write with a Sharpie. -20, because we're in the year 2020. It's hard to write and hold the phone at the same time. Okay, so first we're gonna do our math page, and then we're going to do our language arts page, and then the last sheet we have, it's called the homework page, but it's really just a combination of your math and your language arts. So right now, the first one starts pretty basically. It just wants you to trace the numbers. And I'm just gonna do that real quick. So I'm just gonna trace as neatly as I can. It's kind of weird writing with a Sharpie. It's easier with a pencil, so I'm sure you're having an easier time. And then I'm gonna start saying these out loud as I write them. So I've written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm doing it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's asking me to do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm writing at an awkward angle again. Okay, 5. Okay, so we practiced writing numbers 1 through 5. We did that 3 times. Now we're gonna do a little bit of counting, or one-to-one correspondence is what I like to call it. We're just gonna count the objects and we're gonna circle the amount. So I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, okay? So there's 3 there. Now this one's easy because all I have to do is 1. So I'm gonna circle 1. Now let's count the hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice, so I'm gonna circle 4. Okay, so not too shabby. This one, you're gonna do the same, but you're gonna find the number and you're gonna match the picture to the correct number. So let's do our cameras. We've got 1 and 2. So I'm gonna look for I can't circle anything with this Sharpie. I'm gonna look for the number 2. There it is. All right, so let's draw a line from 2 cameras to the number 2. Now here's another easy one. 1. Ooh, let's find number 1. Oh, that one's easy. Straight across. Okay, let's count the buttons. We've got 1, 2, 3. All right, there's number 3. I'm gonna draw a line. Okay, now our balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's find 4. There it is, straight across. Last one, let's count our stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 5's all the way up here. I'm gonna draw a line up there, and I've matched the amount of objects to the actual number. So that's an easy first math page, I think. So we can be done with that one. Now let's move on to our language arts page. Again, you're gonna write your name, and we're gonna write the date, which was, what we decide, 4/14/20. Okay, I want you to start by reading the words out loud. So we've got bread, milk, banana. What meal do you think we'd be eating and drinking these things with? Do you think you'd have bread, milk, and bananas for dinner? Probably not. I'd say you're probably eating this stuff for breakfast. That's what I eat for breakfast anyway. Because I turn bread into toast with my toaster. And it wants you to just write it 3 times, but I want you to follow along notice that they're all lowercase. I know some of you you prefer your uppercase letters, but we need to practice our lowercase letters too. So I'm gonna make it match exactly what it has up here. So I'm gonna write B-R-E-A-D. Okay, again, terrible handwriting. Sorry, it's hard writing with a Sharpie because it's not very smooth. All right, I'm gonna do it again. B-R-E-A-D. Perfect. Last time. B-R-E-A-D. All right. So we've written bread, bread, bread. Now we're gonna move on to milk. What letters do we have in milk? We have sorry, not holding the camera very steady. M-I-L-K. So we've got, start with our M-I-L-K. Second time, M-I-L-K. All right, third time, M-I-L-K. Good job. Sorry if the phone's a little shaky. I lifted weights yesterday in my basement and my arms are very, very tired and sore. So now we're gonna write the word banana. We've got B-A-N-A-N-A. Okay, so that's a lot of repetition. So let's try it. B-A-N-A-N. Oops, gotta hold it steady. A. Okay. Number 2. B-A-N-A-N-A. Good job. Last one. B-A-N-A-N-A. I don't know why, but the right side of the page is hard to write on. All right. So now that we've done our lowercase letters, we can practice our uppercase letters, and we're just writing the alphabet. So this is nothing new to you. So just trace it as best you can. Let's just say them out loud as we do it. A, B, C, D, E, F. Whoops, almost turned that to an E. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, uppercase Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. All right, perfect. Down here is kind of like a word search that we sometimes do in class, but we're just finding letters. So right now, our directions say find the letters. It says circle all of F. So we're gonna find all the Fs. Let's see, I'm only gonna find a couple for you and then you can find the rest on your own. Let's check the top line there. Well, there's an F. All right, I'll find 3 of them for you. Okay, now I'm gonna check the second line. There's an F. Found another one. Okay, you have to find the rest of the Fs, all right? Okay, circle all of D. So in this one, we need to find D. So I'll look at the top. There's D, one of them. I see another one. Oh, and you know what? I don't think there's a lot of D's, so I'm gonna make you find the rest. Okay. So there's our language arts page. And the last one, you're gonna write the date again. It's 4-14-20. So just like we did with the bread and milk and banana, now we're writing the word, say it before I say it. Ready? Fish. All right, we're gonna write, it's got F-I-S-H. I'm sorry, my dog is growling in the background. F-I-S-H. It's getting really hard to hold this phone and write at the same time. Okay, F-I, you're okay, bud. S-H. F-I-S-H. I don't think my dog appreciates the construction happening outside. Dude, chill. Okay, sorry guys. Now we have a different direction this time, and they're gonna change with, they're gonna change with different worksheets. So this one says, circle the one that is, circle the one that is bigger. All right, so we've got a shoe here and a shoe here. This one is smaller, so that means this one is bigger. Now we've got turtles. This one looks like it's pretty small. This one looks like it's pretty big, so it's bigger. All right, now we have our colors. You've seen this on your morning work that you do every day out of your folders. I'm not gonna do this part for you, so just find a marker or a crayon or a colored pencil. Read the word, tell me what color it is, and color it in. Easy enough, right? All right, just like we did on the math page, we're gonna count the suns. How many? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna find my 3, and there it is. All right. So now it wants you to trace, just like we did, like we traced our capital letters. You're just gonna trace apple, banana, grapes, orange, and berry. I'm not gonna trace them for you because my marker's kind of big, it'll make it messy. And now after you trace them all and say them all out loud, I want you to tell me what food group do these belong in? I'll give you a hint, it's not meat or dairy. So you tell me what food group that belongs into. All right, just like we did on the language arts page, circle all of A. I will find you 3 A's and then you can find the rest. There's 1 A, 2 A's, and there's another A. There's a lot of A's on there, so you're gonna have to find them all. All right, now we're gonna trace our shapes, just like we did with the letters and the words. It gives you 3 shapes here, and after you trace them, I want you to tell me what they are out loud. So I'm gonna trace this. Ooh, lost my paper. I'm gonna trace this, and I'm gonna say, that's a circle. I'm gonna trace this, and I'm gonna say, I just made a triangle. And now I'm gonna trace this, and this one's a toughie, but that one's called a diamond, okay? Now, just like our math page with the buttons and the, whatever, there's a basketball, I think. We're matching the number to the amount. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 triangles, and I'm gonna draw a line to 5. Now I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3 triangles, and I'm gonna find my 3. I'm gonna count 1, 2. I'm gonna find my 2. 1, I'm gonna find my 1. Last one, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm gonna find my 4. There we go. So, just like up here, you're going to read the name of the color and go find that color in whatever you have, crayons, markers, colored pencils. I'm not gonna read these ones to you out loud. I know you read this, I read this one, but see if you can read that to me. And if not, ask mom or dad to help you, or look at the colors, or look at the words on the markers or the crayons. It'll tell you what color it is on there and you can match it to this word. So see if you can do that. All right, so then you'll be done. And then we don't have to do that kind of stuff every single day. We'll do that maybe once a week. Just to get a little handwriting done, and look at all, I mean, when you're done with this, you're gonna think, wow, I did all that? It took me 15 minutes, that's crazy. All right, well guys, I miss you so much, and I can't wait until our next meeting. I'm gonna turn my, hi. I can't wait till our next one-on-one meeting, and I hope that helped you to do your independent work. I'm happy to do this for any worksheets that you guys feel like you need help with, and I'll talk to you soon. I hope you're staying safe and healthy. Mwah, bye.